Our entire business was built to support urgent needs. For more than 60 years, Empire Today has been there to help from the floor up. We have been there when you need us most, helping restore your homes after flooding, making your homes safe by replacing damaged flooring, and installing floors in healthcare facilities, medical offices, and businesses, so they can provide you with the services you need. And we are still here, ready to serve with the speed and quality for which we are known. Now, more than ever, Empire Today is honored to support you during this time of need. We're here, and we are ready. You know the number, 800-588-2300.